started.
Alright, so this is how to fix a sharp cordless vacuum that isn't sucking up stuff up from the ground anymore. You might still be able to use this to clean up stuff, but this is clogged. What we need is a quarter or coin. There's 3 of these white pieces. Turn them a quarter turn or less. And then take your 2 fingers and pull up right here. Doesn't go. Try to unscrew them a bit more on the 3 white tabs. And then it should come out. And there's the plug. This is where it sucks in. And there was something right there that was blocking it. And then you just get a bag and dump that in there. And then check inside there to make sure there's nothing in there. And there isn't. This was making a bunch of noise. So it was in there, and it was, every time this would come by, it would make noise. And that's it. Now you just take this, like this, where you can see the 2 tabs. Third one's on the vacuum itself. Angle it down, and then just pivot, and it should snap in gently. Press there, there, and there. Then click, click, and click. Just quarter turn clockwise on all 3, and that's it. You're done. Easy as that.